how to find the missing side length of a rectangle when you know the area. In this video, we will have the area and one side length, and we have to find the missing side. As with all my videos, the examples build in complexity, so to get the most out of this one, you need to see all the examples. Here, the area is 32 centimeters squared. The length is 4 centimeters. We have to find the width. We know we multiply length and width to find the area. We can solve this problem using our tables knowledge. The question I ask myself is, 4 times what number is 32? Use your 4 times table knowledge. 8 4s are 32, and 4 times 8 is also 32. 8 centimeters is the missing side length. Do you see how knowing your multiplication tables can help you get straight to the answer? If you haven't learned your tables yet, it's time. You need this. As you know, multiplication and division are inverse operations. They are opposites. So you can use multiplication or division to solve this kind of problem. In this rectangle, we have a side measuring 2 centimeters and an area of 28 centimeters squared. So 2 times some number is 28. 28 is not in our 2 times table knowledge. We can use division to solve it. 28 divided by 2 is the length of this side. How many 2's in 2? 1. And how many 2's in 8? 4 2's are 8. 14 then. So this side is 14 centimeters in length. That wasn't too tricky. Yes, the area value was outside our 2 times table knowledge, but it worked out perfectly with no remainder. But you've guessed it, it won't always work out perfectly. Sometimes, when you do a division, you'll get a remainder, and then you need to know what to do. In this last example, the width is 4 centimeters and the area is 38 centimeters squared. If you know your 4 times table, you know that 38 is not in it. We can't rely on multiplication here. We can solve it using division. And we know there will be a remainder here because 38 is not in the 4 times table. We know that 9 times 4 is 36. Put the 9 on the answer line and there's a remainder of 2. I'm working out a measurement for my diagram, so if I just write remainder 2, that's no good. I need to show parts of a centimetre, so I need a decimal remainder. To show the remainder in decimal form, we put a decimal point here in the dividend and a matching one on the answer line, and a 0 to work with in the dividend too. Okay, so we know that 38 divided by 4 is 9 remainder 2, and now we can put that remainder in. Now, how many 4's are there in 20? Of course, you know that 5 4's are 20. There's no remainder, so we're all done. The missing side is 9.5 centimeters. And of course, now that we've found the missing side length, we could easily find the perimeter too. And now you're ready to challenge yourself and solve the missing side in any rectangle.